Exercise 14.1, question number 2. And here we are taking out the mean by assumed mean method. Here class intervals are given 100 to 120 and 120 to 140, 140 to 160 and 160 to 180 and 180 to 200. And Fi is the total number of worker or frequency is known as, it is given 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. And the sum of the frequency is given 50. Here I have written. First we will take out Xi. Xi means sum of upper limit plus lower limit and divided by 2. So 100 and 120, when it will be added and divided by 2, it will be 110. And the next one will be 130, next one will be 150, and another will be 170, and the last one will be 190. It can be taken out by without calculating also. Here if we will see, the difference is 20, 20. First we will calculate lower limit plus upper limit, add them and divide it by 2. And in the next, we can add 20, 20 and it can come without calculation. Here, 5 number of observations are there. Then middle we will take as a assumed mean. And that is 150 in front of this, write down A. Now, we will take out DI. DI is equal to DI is or D1 is equal to X1 minus A. X1 is the mid value of this particular class interval, and we will subtract from that A, assumed mean we will subtract. So after subtracting, then here it will come, means 110 minus 150, here it will come minus 40, 130 minus 150, here it will come minus 20, then 150 minus 150 will be 0, and 170 minus 150 will be 20, and 190 minus 150 will be 40. And there is a short way to calculate it. In front of the assumed mean, we can write 0, and on the upper side of the assumed mean, whatever is the difference of class marks, that will come in the form of negative. Here difference of the class marks are 20. So upper side of the assumed mean will be, first one will be minus 20 and the next one will be minus 40. And in the lower side of assumed mean, it will be of plus, and this will be 20 and this will be 40. This is the short way to calculate. And now we will take out FIDI. FIDI means we have to multiply these two and put the arrow, otherwise there are chances for mistakes. So 12 multiplied by minus 40 will be minus 480. 14 multiplied by minus 20 will be minus 280. 8 multiplied by 0 will be 0. And 6 multiplied by 20 will be 120. And 10 multiplied by 40 will be 400. Now we will add negative number or negative FIDI value separately and positive FIDI value separately. After addition of these two, it will come 760 minus 760 and it will come 520. Then we will do minus 760 plus 520 and the result of this will be minus 240. Now we have come to know about FIDI. We will use the formula for assuming X will be equal to sigma FIDI A plus sigma FIDI plus sigma upon sigma FI. So here assumed mean is 150 and sigma FIDI value here it is minus 220 and sigma FI is 50. So this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled when minus 24 divided by 5. So it will come 4.5 minus 4.5. 150 minus 4.8 will be equal to 145.2. Understood? Understood all of you?
Yes.
इसको पॉज कहाँ से करूँ अब? कहाँ से? क्या इसमें कुछ प्रोसेस चेंज हुआ लग रहा है?